now they go to Poole, but other courses were in Lancashire, some of them, and some they bring a coach over, and we'd learn how to use the marine radios, which had developed immensely from, on the Watson, you had a little black phone, more or less, you squeezed, and you spoke in it, and you found your position by getting a signal from top of the Chasm Hill there. There's a lighthouse station there. You get the Morse signal, CN, and you get a signal from somewhere else, and where the lines crossed, that's roughly where you were. So it was kind of fairly primitive in a way compared with the GPS. But we went through a stage where we had Decker first, where it was like a map with lanes on and red lines, green lines, and purple lines. The reds and greens crossed at right angles pretty well, and you knew where you were, but the purple was at a very acute angle, and the crossing point was a little bit dodgy, so you weren't sure where you were, particularly. Then we got radar, which was tremendously helpful, except in fog, where you would have like a center clutter, a white area where you were going to, and there could be a yacht or a boat in it, and charging around in the dark was, that was the thing I liked least about the weather. I was generally not fazed at all by rough weather, but I wasn't very comfortable. I was tense, I think, was the right way of putting it. But again, the coxswains were quality leaders, and I think all of them had the same sort of quality of leadership, though they were kind of very, very different personalities.